Good evening, all of you. Can you hear me? Please, somebody confirm my audio. Can you hear my audio? And are you able to see on PDF? The question is the UPSC Civil Service Prelims question 2020. What was our last question discussion? We'll do one thing. We'll take from 100th question. Yeah, confirm somebody. Will start. Yeah, question number 100. Who can see? Can see question number 100. Right to answer. We'll discuss the question there and then itself because I want more explanation to be given. Okay. Otherwise, what will happen? I'm just giving the answers. Don't think that is good. Okay, so try to answer the uh, question number 100 in your screen. 100 in your screen. I'm not going to read it also. Critical tiger habitat. Critical tiger habitat. Yeah, at least one answer is there. I'll start giving the explanation. Critical tiger habitat. If you got the answer, then yeah. See? Okay, we'll see. Now look at this. Are able to see one website, down to earth website. Are visible? Okay. In that you can see the definition of critical tiger habitat, okay, is defined in the Forest Act of 2006 only. So write down this: National Tiger Conservation Authority of Government of India ordered the recognition of forest right, okay, under the Forest Right Act of 2006, okay, in critical tiger habitats. Okay, in critical tiger habitats also you have got a forest rights. Okay, so look at this. We have two concepts. One is critical tiger habitat. Okay, it is also known by the name core areas of tiger reserve. Core areas of tiger reserve. It is identified under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Please write down. Not just about getting the answer. I want you to learn more about particular concept. Okay, critical tiger habitats also known by the name core areas of tiger reserves, which is defined under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Okay, the notification is done with consultation with the state government. Please write down that the central government will not notify simply; it in consultation with the state government. A critical tiger habitat is notified in consultation with the in consultation with the consultation with the state government. Okay. Now, critical tiger habitat and critical wildlife habitat, there's a difference. Okay, you're able to see that. Can help explain. Is it visible? Somebody confirm whether you are able to see. In okay, look at this. Critical tiger habitat is identified under the 1972. Okay, under 1972 Wildlife Protection Act. Okay, whereas critical wildlife is mentioned in the Forest Right Act of 2006. Are you able to see a red ink in your screen? Not Okay, please read this. This one. There's a box here. No, this box. Please copy it on this box. This box. Notified with consent of the Grama Sabha and affected stakeholders. So wildlife habitats is consulted with the Grama Sabha. Okay. Whereas tiger habitat is consultation with the state government. Okay. Try to understand the differences. If anybody want this particular link, please let me know. I'll share comment section. It's read this. Whatever you read, you have to read it completely. Now coming to the question, they're asking which is the largest. Okay. Then the answer is Nagarjuna. Okay. Options there, no? Nagarjuna Sagar Sri Salem. That is the largest critical tiger habitat. A critical tiger habitat. That is the largest. You can see. Okay, largest. Largest is Nagarjuna Sagar Sri Salem Tiger Reserve is the largest tiger reserve in India. Okay, and also right now it spreads through Kurnool district, Prakasham district, Guntur district, Nalgonda district. Okay, in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, done. Okay, now let us go back to the question. Question number 100 is over. Corbett, if you look at Corbett, Corbett is the first tiger reserve in India, okay, and is the oldest also. First, who can tell me in which state we have got Corbett? It is known as Jim Corbett also. Some it is known as Jim Corbett also. Jim Corbett also. In which state we have got? Ranthambore is also tiger reserve. Who can tell me which state we have got? Sundarban is very easy. It is in West Bengal. Tell me about Corbett and Ranthambore. Corbett and Ranthambore. Corbett is in Uttarakhand. Okay, Ranthambore is in Rajasthan. Ranthambore is in Rajasthan. Okay, one more tiger reserve in Rajasthan. Who can tell me? One more tiger reserve in Rajasthan. One more tiger reserve. Question number 99. Can you see? Question number 99 is taken from NCRT, but little tough question basically. Not very easy question. Now consider the following statement. Question number 99. Jet stream occur in the northern hemisphere only. Okay. For this only, I have given a shortcut, right? Anybody remember that? I have given a shortcut for whenever the statement only is coming. What is the thing we should assume? Who can tell me? If I'm saying that, when I'm saying that only statement is coming, okay, then that statement has got higher probability of going wrong. Higher probability of going wrong. Okay. And moreover, we have jet streams in southern hemisphere also. So this statement is completely wrong. You cannot have the statement. This statement is completely wrong. Okay, we have jet stream in southern hemisphere also. Jet stream. Who can tell me definition of jet stream? Jet stream. That certain keywords are. It is a meandering. Okay, meandering upper air circulation. Okay, upper air circulation. Meandering. It will go like this. Okay, go like this, and it has influence in our monsoon also. It has influence in our monsoon also. So whenever this only statement is coming, that statement, just assume. If you don't know that statement, then assume that is wrong. Okay, but if you know that, for example, money bill can be introduced only in Lok Sabha, that statement is correct. Right? If you don't know about that statement, then you can assume that statement is wrong. Okay, then you can proceed. Okay, so in this case, this is definitely wrong. Okay, so you can go for this wrong. So answer is B or C. Okay, because it occurs in southern hemisphere also. Jet stream is meandering upper air circulation. Okay, and it is influencing our monsoon also. It is influencing our monsoon also. It is influencing our western disturbances also. Western disturbances also. Okay, what is western disturbances? Who can tell me what is western what is western disturbance? Okay, only some cyclones develop eye. May be true. Okay, the temperature inside eye of the cyclone is nearly 10 degrees Celsius lesser than the surrounding. That is wrong. Okay, that is wrong. It will be very hot. Okay, be very hot. That is how that low pressures create. Okay, if it is cold, then it cannot be. So the third statement is definitely wrong. Third statement is definitely wrong. The temperature increases towards the center. That is why the pressure also increases towards the center. Look at the cyclone. Okay, cyclone. Okay, it is the lowest pressure in the center. Again, and if it is cold, then how there will be cold, low temperature? It will be more hot. Okay. Have anybody else have NCRT? Please refer this in NCRT. You can see it is a hot air. The hot air which is in the center of the cyclone. So I is the center of the cyclone where you have got hot air. So third statement is completely wrong. Third statement is completely wrong. Okay. So if the third statement is completely wrong, then the only two is correct. C is the answer. C is the answer. Any doubt, guys? Please let me know. Comments or you can message me also. I'm not seeing answer. People are not sending me answers. Or I didn't give a time. Question number 99, nobody answered. Yeah, question number 97, who can answer? Question number 97. Only one person is answering, then I'll give the explanation. Number 97, 97, nobody want to answer? Okay, famous places and the present state. Okay, Dwara Samudra. Okay, this is taken from NCRT only. I think it is from 7th standard NCRT or something. Okay, Dwara Samudra is mentioned. I think there's one box given in one NCRT where they will mention like this. What is his name? Amir Kushro. Amir Kushro. How Amir Kushro will explain the places. Have you seen that place? That NCRT. I think 7th or 8th NCRT. So NCRT reading is very important, guys. Okay. Dwara Samudra. Okay. Okay. So taken from NCRT. Dwara Samudra is mentioned there again. Likewise, they'll mention about the actually how this person is mentioning the. Let me check with which NCRT I'm. It is there in the 8th standard history. 8th standard history. It is mentioned. So give equal importance to the NCRT also. Don't skip the NCRTs. Okay. It is equally important. Okay. In this, if you want answers, write down the answers. Okay, answer Bilsa. Okay, Bilsa in Madhya Pradesh. Correct. Okay. Girinagar in Gujarat is also correct. Other two I'll find out. Hope that. I'm not able to find out. I'll explain. Okay. If you want, you can refer this 8th standard NCRT. NCRT 8th standard. Refer. One more minute. Our past. Okay, our past three. That is okay. Meanwhile, do one thing. You answer the question number 96 and 94 in your screen. By the time I take this, got the answer. Please mark the answer. Send me the answer. Don't wait for the answers. Western disturbance originate in Mediterranean Sea and brings winter in North India. Very good, Shriti. And that is also because of this only. Okay, that is also because of jet stream only. That is also because of jet stream only. That is also because of jet stream only. The importance of jet stream in the this. You got it. Question number 96, I got answer. Very good. What about 94? I could not find that. Okay. But it is in Dwar Samudra is Karnataka. Okay. Explain. Okay, Siachen Glacier is situated. Okay, Siachen Glacier, we know that it is in Jammu Kashmir, like somewhere in Ladakh, somewhere in Leh, we know. But exact location they're asking. Exact location, where is it located? Not a very easy question, as okay, not a very easy question. But don't leave this question. Okay, the exact answer is north of Nubra Valley. North of Nubra Valley. Okay, east of Leh and Aksachin cannot be the answer because all this will be coming in confrontation with the China. Okay, so this you can rule out either Gilgit North or Nubra, but the answer is Nubra Valley. See, for capturing the Siachen, we did one military operation. What is the name of the military operation? What is the name of the military operation? What is the name of the military operation with which we what is it? We got a control? It was actually temporarily taken over by the Pakistani army. Then we did an operation, military operation. Okay, with respect to the chemical fertilizer in India, at present the retail price of chemical fertilizer is market driven and not administered by the government. Okay, that statement is correct. Okay, because we give subsidy. Okay, based upon the consumption. So that statement is partially correct. Take that. Ammonia, which is the input for urea, is produced from natural gas. That is true. Okay, statement two is absolutely true. Statement two is absolutely true. Market driven, not administered by government, may not be completely correct. Okay. Because fertilizer or agriculture things, right? Okay. So this statement will go for wrong, but this is correct. Statement two is definitely correct. So this is wrong. So your option is 2, 3. B, C, D is the answer. Okay. Sulfur, which is a raw material for phosphoric acid fertilizer, is a byproduct of oil refinery. Byproduct of oil refinery. Okay, that statement is also correct. Please copy down the statement. Okay, copy down the statement. It is administered price mechanism. Like till recently, means I think it's around 10 years before also we had petrol and diesel under the administered price mechanism. Government will fix the price for the petrol and diesel. Okay. Then it is given to market driven. Then also it is kind of government only. For example, because elections are happening now, they are not increasing the price of the petrol and diesel. Okay, because the crude price is touching almost $130. They are supposed to increase the petrol diesel, but they are not increasing because of assembly elections are happening. But even then, petrol and diesel is also right on market driven. Market driven. It is not under the administered price mechanism. Petrol and diesel is not under the administered price mechanism. Understood. But this statement is true. Ammonia. Okay, that is why if you see fertilizer industry, can you give me any examples? All these are located near to the this one refineries. They are located near to the refineries. The reason is they need this input, okay, from the oil refineries and national. Understood, guys. So question number 94, we'll go for answer is 2 and 3 means B is the answer. B is the answer. Okay, question number 93 and question number 95, both in your screen. Is one person is answering, I'll explain it. Operation Meghdood, very good. Operation Meghdood, through which we got the Siachen Glacier. Operation Meghdood is correct. Okay. Number 93. Nobody want to answer? 93 and 94 in your screen. 95. Okay, not 93, 95 and 93. Okay, 95 I'll answer. Indian Desert National Park. Okay, Indian Desert National Park. Which of the following statements are correct? Which of the following statements are correct? It is spread over two districts. It is spread over two districts. Okay, that statement is correct. Okay, there is no human habitation inside the park. That is also correct. It is one of the national habitat of Great Indian Bustard. That is also okay. Question number 95. All three statements are correct. There is no human habitation. This side. This is correct. Okay. This national habitat of Great Indian Bustard. That is correct. Okay. Two districts also correct. Okay. This will make wrong. Okay. Like that we are having C. Okay. Yes. This is answer. No habitation. Not possible. Not possible in India particularly. The national park is there itself. Is some people are there. No habitation is wrong. So C should be the answer. Question number 93. Ocean mean temperature. Write down that word. Ocean mean temperature. Okay. Is a measure of depth at 26 degrees Celsius. 26 degrees Celsius isotherm, which is 129 meters in the southwest Indian Ocean during January and March. Okay. OTM collected during January March can be in assessing whether the amount of rainfall in monsoon will be less or no. This statement is correct. Second statement is completely correct. Okay. OMT, not OTM. OMT. Ocean mean temperature. So take second statement. Please write down. Okay. Don't just make correct. Okay. Write down this. Ocean mean temperature. Ocean is there in the NCRT plus two and plus one NCRT. Fundamentals of Physical Geography. That book it is there. Ocean mean temperature. The second statement is completely correct. First statement. This should be 27. Is right. That is where the 27 degrees. So this statement will be wrong. So we'll go for B. This is the answer. This answer. Please refer the NCRT 11th standard. Okay, 11th standard. There's a chapter called Ocean. Ocean, I think. Ocean. Ocean. Okay, we have not been that much efficient today, but thing is, I try to give you more explanation. We'll increase the explanation part just by giving the answer. Ocean mean temperature. Please copy down the second statement. This is very very important. True also because we follow concept of this one like average temperature, then historical temperature. Now we take that is how we assess the monsoon. So here, statement one is wrong. Statement two is the question. Any doubts? Please let me know. See you then, guys. Thank you very much.